trusted doctor versus like, just to help us understand, versus someone cutting your hand who's like maybe in a robbery or something. You know that when the surgery happens by a reliable doctor, even if you lost your hand, you know it was meant to be this way. A good doctor wouldn't cut your hand just because just because he wants to cut it. So remember, take these catastrophic events as part of greater wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some humans don't listen until they're shaken, until they get a wake-up call. May Allah make you among those who learn from others' examples. Don't wait for it to happen to you and me. Let's change before, which leads us to our 7th point, that this is the greatest requirement of these. And if anyone who's in these calamities and they became a better person after that, this means the operation was successful. The surgery was good. But if they became bad, it's like that other tree, nothing affects them,